Yeah, so hello guys, welcome to Forex Success. So in this video, I just want to show you how you can trade all synthetic indices. So in this video, I'm going to take like 5 to 6 different indices and analyze them and trade them. So you will see how I equally trade, so that even if you don't have knowledge of trading or you don't know how to trade, at least if you listen to this video, if you watch it carefully, you're gonna be able to do something for yourself, which will definitely help you. So the aim is to make sure every one of us are able to do this trading thing themselves and actually be profitable. First thing you should know is that you have to know how to manage your risk. That is very important. You have to minimize your loss, because when you minimize your loss, that is a way of maximizing your profit. Yeah, because when you lose less, definitely you will profit more. That's it. So before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop new strategies. And in case you don't know, this is synthetic indices. It's only found on the derivative broker, so click on the link at the description below to create an account. So let's get started. Firstly, we'll start with step index, which is the first. This is actually my favorite index, and I love trading step index. It's a kind of very much simpler. And you see, step index, I've been watching the moves yesterday right from this point of pullback. So I was actually looking at it for a sell, but I couldn't enter this trade though. I couldn't enter this trade because I slept off and the trade moved really bearish. It moved really deep to the downside. So let's see what's happening on step index. Firstly, I can see it's a very long downtrend, and if I go to the daily time frame, I'll see that, guys, this step index is at the lowest point. You can see it's at the all-time low right now. So I'll just check out from the 15-minute time frame to see if there's anything I can actually do with step index, but I can see there is actually step index is not showing me anything now, because there is no reaction at any point, no point whereby the market is reacting to. It is just at the all-time low. So I'm gonna just go away from step index for now before I'll take something that I'm not supposed to take. So I'll leave step index, then I'll check out boom, what's it called, boom. Okay, before then, guys, let's introduce our strategy, the indicator which we'll be using as well, though we're gonna top it up with some price action. Okay, period, the moving average first indicator, we're gonna use period 40, shift 0 method, simple, apply to close. The style, make it 2 pixel, color red, you click done. So we got a moving average right here. Remember, I said we're gonna check it out on step index. So we're gonna add the MACD indicator. We're gonna add MACD, you put the fast EMA on 12, the slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9, apply to close. The main pixel 2, signal 2, use same color for better understanding, and then you're done. So guys, look, the indicator now is here. So same thing, the indicator is not giving us any signal, because how we'll use this indicator is when the moving average cross above the chart and the MACD is below the zero level, it actually indicates a sell for this indicator strategy. So when the moving average cross below the MACD, sorry, the moving average cross below the chart and the MACD above the zero level, it indicates a buy. So if you check it right here, you won't get any reason to enter a trade at this point. Yeah, so I'll just simply avoid stepping there. So right away we go to boom 1000 index. So I'll start again from the 1 hour time frame, and if I check it from the daily time frame, I can see points where price actually reacted to. You can see right there the price came all the way down, and it's actually getting to the support level, which the price actually rejected. The 4 hour time frame, that made this strong heavy bullish move to the upside. So we're gonna check this out from a lower time frame to see if we can know where the market is actually heading to. But for me right here, with the 1 hour time frame, I'm actually seeing this market that it's still gonna continue to the downside, probably at this resistance level. Yeah, So what I'll be doing on this trade is that I'm gonna be going short from this level, yeah, from this point right here. Let me just quickly put a line at that point. Okay, we're using the 1 hour time frame. So I've seen this market is gonna make some move, like hitting this previous support level, then continue the downtrend. Remember guys, I usually say that you should make the trend your friend. As you can see, 1 hour time frame, it's on a very long downtrend, so it is advisable to follow the trend. Yeah, so if I'm selling right from this point, I'm gonna be placing a stop loss above this previous high. Yeah, above this previous high right here. So let's check out what our strategy is telling us. 5 minute time frame, we can see it already crossed above. You can see it crossed above with our strategy. So if you were right here, you could have caught a lot of pips to go to the upside, but since we were not here, we don't know when it's gonna start reversing. But based on what I'm seeing right here in the market, I can see that it's gonna go up and continue the downtrend with a stop loss above the previous week. So let's check out this 10 volatility 10. I really want us to place at least 2 to 3 trades. Good. Verse 10 volatility 10 index. Remember, I gave you guys some signals of this trade that it's going to continue to the downtrend, seeing it from the weekly time frame that this market is going to move to the downside, and the daily time frame also that the market is going to come down from this point to the downside. Yeah, but it has been having a lot of reaction at this point. So seeing this market alone, guys, you should know that volatility 10 index is gonna sell to the downside. 4 hour time frame, let's check what's happening on the 4 hour time frame. You can see the market still reacting to that level. Yeah, so the market is still reacting to this level. So it's actually okay. We can see that the market came down, start actually doing some retest whereby the market came down, went back to the upside. So we're gonna wait for the market to break through this level before we can go short. Yeah, so that's it. But this is the overall movement of the market. But if you check it on a smaller time frame, like 15 minutes time frame and 5 minute time frame, you should be able to get in and out of the market scalping. Yeah, but if you want to trade it on a long term goal, that's what I'm talking about. So if you want to trade it on a short time frame, this is our strategy. Very nice and good for this type of trade. You can see it crossed above, it indicates a sell, and it crosses below, it indicates a buy. I know this is what most of you like, but it's actually very good, guys. Very, very good. I'm not saying anything against it. It's very good. So you get in at this point, you go up and get in, come down. You can see even at this point, you guys should make some good profits from the strategy as well. And if you were here at this point, you make some good moves to the upside. You see that, guys? So this is the strategy. Is very nice. So you can use it to make money for scalping. Just that you just have to be in front of your computer watching your trade, so you know when to take profit or when to stop loss in case it goes against you. Exactly. So let's see crash 500 index from the 1 hour time frame. I can see it's gonna return back to the downside. Then 30-minute time frame, you can see the reaction. Price trying to break through this previous, you see that, guys, trying to break through this previous resistance level, go to the top side, and then coming back for a retest to the downside. So I'm gonna sell crash 500 index. Yep, so this is the trade I'm gonna be taking. Crash 500 index, selling it right now. So, and if you check it from our indicator strategy, you see that I told you guys, for crash and boom, I prefer using the 15-minute time frame for crash and boom, because since it mostly involves spikes, so I prefer using the moving average on the 15-minute time frame, so that I can get the clear picture of it. So now I can see that the red moving average crossed above the chart right here, which indicated a sell, gave us a sell, and then right here gave us a buy, sell again, and right here I'm expecting this market to move to the downside. You see the similar moves. look at this similar move right here, whereby the market was coming down, make this up and down move, then back to the downside. So what I'm gonna be doing right now for stepping this is for crash 500 is to place a sell and a stop loss above this previous week, then expecting the market to move all the way to the downside. Great. So I'm just gonna place a sell right now. So this is a small account, so I just placed a sell. Yeah, so you just make sure any trade you are taking, guys, you should always have a stop loss level. That's just the reason why you blow accounts. You must always have a stop loss level. Don't be proud and expect the market to come to your direction. No, the market goes wherever it wants to go to. It is you that just have to follow where the market is going to. So if sometimes you make some mistakes, just immediately correct it by stopping that trade. That's it, guys. So I've placed a trade on this what's it called, on this crash 500. So I'm gonna wait to see how it will go. Trying to check out for another chart that I can actually go in for a trade. The 1 hour time frame actually seems to be coming for a sell, but 15-minute time frame still going for the buy, and 5 minutes time frame it's actually consolidating right here because it has been on an uptrend, which is the moving average crossed below, which indicates a buy, and at this point it is still following the same condition. So we don't know for how long it's gonna intersect again, but from the 1 hour time frame it seems like it's gonna sell. Yeah, but also the 5 minute time frame, it's giving us a signal that this market is going to continue to the upside as well. So we just wait for very much confirmations, because as you can see the moving average is intersecting with the charts right now, and the market is somehow consolidating. So this is not a clear picture. You can see they're giving us different moves because the 4 hour time frame crossed above, which indicates a buy, and the 5 minutes still consolidating. So I mostly advise you guys to just be patient with this market. Let it give you a clear direction before you enter, because we're seeing some reaction at this resistant level right here. Let me shift it out for you to see. Look, this is a very strong resistant level, and the market is actually reacting to it. So we just need to wait to see whether the market is going to break through or it's going to reverse to the downside. Yeah, so the crash 500 trade which I took is still ongoing, still loading, guys. So I'm expecting it to sell to the downside, but by the way, have a stop loss above this previous week. So similarly, guys, the way I observe this market, I know a lot of you might not be able to. Let me quickly mark out the stop loss level, which I said I'm gonna use above this week. Okay, so my stop loss is gonna be, oh no, okay, let's say my stop loss is gonna be at this level above the previous week right there. So I'm just watching for the market to come to my direction. So guys, the major point is that a lot of you might not be able to analyze the market like this. Just simply use the indicator, and then find chance or find time to start learning price action. It will really help you. Simply use the indicator. You can see it's working, most especially for step index and volatilities indices, whereby you just wait for it to cross above, and then the MACD is below the zero level. You go for a sell, put your stop loss above above the moving average. If the moving average crosses below the chart, what do, and the MACD is above the zero level, you go for a buy. As you go long, keep your stop loss below the moving average. Guys, if you do this on the trade for about 5 times, you should have at least 3 wins. Yeah, you should have at least 3 winning trades for that. And the good thing about it is that your stop loss is it's not far, it's short, and the win is gonna be long. So guys, at the end of the day, you'll still be profitable using this strategy. From all the strategy that I have been showing you guys, this is my mostly recommended strategy for you, especially if you are a beginner. this is the strategy that I recommend most. This is the best strategy among them all. Thank you guys for watching Forex Success. We with you and we're here to stay. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button. We're gonna be getting more strategies for you guys to trade, and that is the truth is use whatever works for you. If you're good with the crash 1000 index strategy, the step index strategy, you're good for you. Just keep on using them. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.